How to turn on or off filters unwanted comments on TikTok. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application TikTok. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now you need to head over to profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this three-horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. In the space, head over to privacy. Move into comments in the section of interactions and you'll be able to see the feature filter unwanted comments. Right now this feature is turned on. So if you're looking to turn off this feature, then all you gotta do is toggle off this button right over here. Likewise, you can toggle it on anytime you want to. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.